Hello students, today we will study chapter 10 of EVS. The name of the chapter is What is Cooking? Before we begin with chapter 10, let me tell you one information that we have omitted chapter 8 and 9 in EVS. Look at this picture on your screen. I hope that you are able to understand that these are utensils. We use utensils to cook food on your screen. You can see different types of utensils like kadhai, pot, ladle, tawa, pan and cooker. Now we will study what are utensils made of. So students, mostly utensils are made of steel, bronze, iron, earth and glass. These utensils made of steel. These utensils made of bronze. These utensils made of iron. These utensils made of earth. Earth that is called earthen pots. These utensils made of glass. We eat some food items raw, some food items cooked and some food items raw and cooked both. Now we will get to know about them in detail. On your screen you can see the things that we eat raw. These are cucumber, tomato, radish, carrot, cabbage, onion and turnip. Now you can see the things that we eat cooked. These are pulses, chapati, rice, chicken, fish and mushrooms. In this slide you can see the things that we eat raw and cooked. Both these are carrot, tomato and onion. Now we will learn how chapati is made. Take flour in a utensil, knead it into a dough. Make small balls of the dough. Roll the balls flat using the roller. Cook them on fire until they turn golden in color. Serve chapati with sabji and dal. Now we will learn how rice is made. Wash a bowl of rice grains. Take 2 glasses of water in a pan and put rice grains in that pan. Boil it on stove until the grains are cooked. Open the cooker and serve the rice in a bowl. Now the next topic is methods of cooking. There are different methods of cooking like baking, boiling, frying, roasting and steaming. Baking is mainly done in an oven. Some of the food items we cook through baking are biscuits, cake, bread, etc. We eat some food items after boiling them in water. Some of them are eggs, potatoes, vegetables, etc. Frying is not a very healthy option, but it makes the food fully cooked and tasty. Some of the food items we eat fried are puri and samosa, etc. Roasting makes the food crispy and smoky. It makes it cooked very nicely. Roasted food is delicious. The healthiest and most nutritious form of cooking is the steaming, because some of the food items we eat through steam are momos, idli, vegetables. There are different types of heat producers like kerosene oil, coal, electricity, LPG gas, wood, sunlight and cow dung cakes. We can see in our day-to-day life that LPG gas is used in our kitchen to cook food. Some people also use heater or oven for cooking. These work on electricity. Cow dung is also used for cooking. It is mainly used in village areas to light up the angithi or chulha. Some people even use solar cooker which works on the energy of the sunlight to cook food. Some food items which are prepared without cooking are lemon juice, fruit salad and lassi. Lemon juice is prepared by mixing sugar in water, adding a pinch of black salt and squeezing half a lemon in it. Mix it and shake it well. Your lemon juice is ready. Chop the fruits of your choice. Add a pinch of salt and sugar in it. Mix it gently and you can enjoy your fruit salad. Take 1 cup of curd and sugar in it. Mix it well and your lassi is ready. That's it for this chapter. We have learned in this chapter that what are utensils made of? What are the things we can eat raw and cooked? We have learned different methods of cooking and heat producers. Thank you and all the best for your studies.